Gunguronda gayo bwiro mwana bana majabanja mbaru kunuya tikumanyo basore chariyo nakumusoamo magezi gwe njigai no gama bro
katiri chichi
oristed
jagazaje
ine gayo wajangu cover za wenezi ninkure
kakati kusawanga zino fatwa turi kumirimo twa turi kumirimo
ine binkwendo ngani ungambire musore chi
let me are you capturing me
turi musebo ebyo turumu tujyo mbindi
now like for example when I'm working mbasagara umuntu akora chi antagwanye obude bwakumacha bwakora obude bwa mutuntu bwakora obude bwa
iwe angandira mundiramu yibaze nguniwe rumbuye wa Uganda iwe a spice Diana na Sheebah story chinguni ogine gona
but nzembasa sagara program kamera za mwe sibanyo ugira kukwata
biri mebyo tibiri just echine ninkabomo njine dasabara tega na servoto hate
so kati so kubura ko ibintu bya spice Diana wamune Sheebah karungi na yatezuze bwendina sagara ubitambuze
tibiri mebyo bro tibiri mebyo tora
ubitambuze
sibuchenga siburebyo
so kati nzembade ndikumira cyane
Sheebah ndira mu Sheebah na spice Diana ni impara mweno goma guru
kati na the problem with Sheebah and Spice Diana time first put here these things the problem with Spice Diana and Sheebah Karungi those people you know bona bakozachi bayimba bona bayimba but there is something
kurra
mukuskomgo kwa manyi
uko mushiza ninga no kwesente
ebintu byabo tebiri mu ya debasajja just nyimba because kati Sheebah Karungi bamutegera burungi
mucenga
ogwe mpawo aine nyimba nyingi nyo kati Spice Diana yebuza kati ubachona nsinga mu kuyimba rwacyansinga
nsonga niyo shongeje
iyo nsongeyo
akaka wana antakamanya boraza
because katura bagundi Spice Diana yaleta kayimba onsanura nekakwatayo kati nori naleta ice cream nekatori kati awo by the way those was the breakthrough ya kuchi yabayimba yabona na Spice Diana taina nyimba zigamba taina nyimba nyingi ezisinga zani eza Sheebah kati ortaro rujao no by the way I want to thank the Nagundi Sheebah Karungi gundi Sheebah for her they have decorated kubanga yumba no mwana oyo because amurabanga mwana bashitekere chintecho amurabanga mwana ire
Sheebah wachima esendo ngo agituwire maraje manyabiro bwire
Spice Diana was in school studying we get
Sheebah yatandi chereka
Sheebah yakochi yatandika dokuyimba yayimba nyimba zona nyimba zono kwachi osimanyi you get and another thing that people should know that Sheebah Karungi has helped many artists. You get my point? I am abantu banji ba grenade official ba kabako you know when you see kabako is ever are mabargani ga Sheebah Karungi kakati yo na bibawo you get birumani
Spice Diana
you get but even in the management of ya good ya Sheebah Karungi it was good because he had Jeff Chiwa that Jeff Chiwa bakwanti katena kuzuna yakwachi bachankarana mu otegera bachankarana mu na yenga before when they were still together the management of Jeff Chiwa by the way when we talk about Jeff Chiwa ye manager achasinza kubanga managing abeshonguzi ngaba ikintu achikwachi achikuba burungi
ngachenga
ngachitegera kakati
nahura naga yatera keshongoro bari bageya Spice Diana
kati Spice Diana ukureta kayimba ko agambani let me tell you me I've slept with
you are done what manyabo
we are staying in one place tunatubera munyonyo nzembera munyonyo kati aba side za wali wa manga ye munyonyo kati wakati wembera kati I know secrets many secrets
omanyi buri kimu
cyachikwata ku Sheebah Karungi
arahagandi
otakagenzere ku Uganda gugogamba kati Diana what she should do ayinokora nyo akore ebyeshongure ngabe bina vibe you get because he played this City Regular. You know that song?
That song.
Yeah, but that one. Sheebah Karungi, you get my point. Sheebah Karungi is beyond ordinary now way. Yeah.
Achikuba. Arachitera.
But you know, these fans, fans. Now I know Zubu. Bagande batankurentaro. Boshtegera. Bagande batankurentaro katine bagamba, Sheebah Karungi wamanyi. Kakati spice daenda bwakora gabraba. Nga it confuses her what? Amayindi. You get? But she's coming because yafuna mguni manager na wewe
Roger source management ndabahura
manager wa Roger. So but they are performing, they are coming, you get, yeah? But the fans bakwisana magamba nti Spice Diana na Sheebah gamba biryawo byaji. Let me tell you one thing. What you don't I was going to go
bazondire mundanda bienda kumanya nasi banda kuronda buzima.
What the singers should do, they must be having the songs. You get? When someone challenges you, brings this. When someone challenges you, bring this. But some artists, they are just there, they like a big eye. You know big eye?
Maso maneno gonda mumanya
gwe. Big eye Mr. Boy. Oh. By the way, let me tell you. Big eye okugenda kugondi ku Edikenzo nango warampa
Grammy Awards
Ugandans bari bagenda kumkuba buchupa no bari bamkuba buchupa before but this time round they wanted to kumkuba chi
mayinja
mabari but I called the gundo
Big eye.
Why don't you forgive that for kumwesonywa?
Namurgaho.
Nenga muveko because he's ahead of you. Let me tell you one thing. These artists arumo babaga kurinyira kubachi
kubarara abandi
kati Big eye agenda abagundi Kenzo ari muki ari erege
Grammy Awards
agamba kati gwe mwogera ko sisobola kufuka wamanyi. Ochitegera kati some artists bagara kurinyira kubachi kuba nabo kubaga babagwa nga Big eye
nawe soko murire kati azako kachi yamwetondire yaningataka mwetondira
cha what I can tell you Big eye what it should come out and amwetondere ochitegera because dona gundo you Edikenzo is a man who has music no boy leta Big eye
ogwachitire
aina wakwata ku nyimba zani
achitire za Kenzo akawangura na BET award ni womunya Uganda jina ati Big eye wene
so tekele songeyo so kati I don't know why kati when bring that marriage material can it compete nyimba zani za Edikenzo
takubasa buzima
can one time that Big eye go to that Grammy award
ati so tikubasa buzima tera charabasa ati
abadagara kwa chi kumwambukira ko let me tell you on festival ya Kenzo Big eye again na yimba kati yakina nakora akantu mbaba
hakubadi yaenda
bamukuba buchupa ya planning abashita stand na planning ekintu echo washitegera kati fenga turi yero bozi nari wonze nari wo kuruna ko urwo nembaraba nengamba no agakwisa machi marriage material kati marriage material that song it didn't go well so he planned because I was with him we are seated together but I told him kama you Big eye be careful. But he resisted. You get my point. So, Edikenzo never Big eye. I'm telling you. If you want Ugandans to love you, leave Edikenzo.
That's in a ngoro.
Because me I was Edikenzo last week. Because when he come, nganjala kumukurisa. Banange, thank you for going where and represent East Africa and Africa at large. So he said the Big eye should for I know kwachi okunetondera. You get my point. So that is it. Like I tell you.
Azoka ngazire. Ati omusuma wakatonda ngwa
Aliwo yenda. Pastor Rose asubji.
Gwe ato asogotanga birako.
Let me tell you one thing. Pastor Rose asubji. it is yafunyo mwara. That girl is my sister. That girl is my sister.
Ati wona kusuka kutagangambira.
So that girl is my what? Is my sister. But Zimbamanyi. You know, Sheshe. It's big. Yeah. Sheshe. You know that guy. He loves Sheshe.
I know Sheshe. So Sheragonda.
But Timu Naruswa. They are saying that we cannot allow for Bujjingo to get Susan Makura and get that sister of mine in that church. You know, she has my EPC. She has my EPC. She has everything. I'm the one who, by the way, gave the contact. Nangamba kankwenda namba ya pastor umconnecting
aketega.
You know, this word wabatetegiri. Oh my God.
Sato usobora cyo kufuna.
Toi nacho sobora kufuna. So I connected nangamba okay, but there is another problem that is coming in the world. Where we living Susan Makura. She's now crying. Yeah, she's now crying. She called me. Hello, into what? They are taking my man and nemubuza kakati gwe ngawa twarani ngawa mutwara no naruso no kwachi no mureka itegereje iteje no ngano kwachi no mureka wo so kati ensonge Uganda wangu bindi nyo na
ati mwere ja
let me tell you there is a video it is circulating on social media. Pastor is saying that they should pray for him because there are some people who are tempting. That he's talking about that sister of mine. That sister of mine. He's putting him on pressure. When he's going to read, he reads that girl. When he's going to sleep, he saw that girl. When he, my friend,
ati mwenu yavanka bindeba na no mwishomo.
Rape. That's where rape. Mchara bindeba omugati. It ended in tears. But that's life. That's life, Matt.
Akana mchara bindebo mugati.
So Susan was knowing that
Chinta chino murita.
I'm the one who. That's how Pastor again started. When he was going to go to chaka that naruswa. Nakatalika bwatyo nagamba kakati warwa abantu bagara kwachi bagara kunzija kubetakariya kachi ya kanisa. Nakamanze nze siza de mundu nagumu okukirize takariya kanisa ligenda. Na this family yange korechi fe. Wistekera takati yaze mnakachoti nachogera. Ntwara abantu bagara kwachi kundemesa. Wistekera. Nenga there is something that is worthy
is behind Allah ati
never stone kanenge
atakumbwa tunu nanda kwena sibira nakurona tago nagafuna buzima ati
nzemba na mawuri
gwerumbuye wa Uganda
nzemba na machi not no I'm not rumbi I'm beyond
beyond rumbure.
I move with those people, big people, those spice dana. I'm ever with them. Sheebah Karunji, we sleep in the same village. Pr Bujjingo, all those. Mbana bo urwamona tubatambra fena ebintu byona
korandebere Museveni nyomura mushize.
That is my friend. And one thing, by the way, he's doing good. President Museveni is doing good. Yes, he published the development model. All that program your government.
Namchize baram na MK.
So that baram, but for them they say, if President Museveni retires, they will do what? They will allow President General Moskanirugaba to go on the chair.
And on drum.
So we are praying for them. If it goes well, asante sana.
Watena. Turebane. Iwe. Obare munonga buzemu. Ati yawo nanyu kuna beninganira no muntu manza.
So but next time don't put me in your camera.
Ter camera buzema. Just ter camera munywani.
Don't put it anyway.
Buzima.
Just in the
kandi ko munywani wanje buzima. Just ni. Ter camera nabwo manyi. Ter camera buzima kanywani. Ubandebere sebo. Buzima zima.
Neto kwachi tukuzano no jamu kunta wanje.
Nkura.